This is my latest iteration of Conti something. I wanted to share with you where I am right now. I knitted this in separate colors so you could see how each section comes together.
This colonial blue is the cast on and the first shoulder, and I left the yarn, rather than cut the yarn, I left the yarn attached, and it's the front ribbing. This is the second shoulder, same thing here. This blue is after the shoulders are knit and for the duration of the number of rows that are needed to reach the point C shoulder position. That's the navy blue. The green, light blue, and maroon are the sections that are the short rows where the sleeve intersects with the body. So that's what I've got for you. I am working toward doing the individual sections so you can see how this works.